Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Smith. I am here to teach you about digital art today. What is digital art and what is a pixel? A pixel is a small bit of electric light on a display screen, like a building block. Many pixels create an image on a display screen. There are over 2 million pixels on your computer screen right now. So this is an illustration of what pixels are. They're just little blocks of electric light. And digital art is art that is made completely digitally, which means made on a computer device or a smartphone. The word pixel is short for picture element. We know that an element is a part of a whole. So P-I-C, pic-L, pixel. So that's how they came up with the word pixel. And pixels were discovered in the 1960s. And this is an example of pixel art. You're just creating art with little blocks of color. Let's meet Hal Lasco, the pixel painter. He was a retired 90-year-old artist who started to go blind. And he was unable to paint or draw on paper, pencil and paper like normal. But he was able to paint on the computer with pixels because he could zoom in really big on what he was working on. So he could zoom in really big and paint pixel by pixel. And this is some of his pixel paintings. So basically, this gentleman, Mr. Hal Lasco, painted with little dots of electric light. What are we going to do today is create a pixel painting. I'm excited about springtime, so I created a dramatic flower picture. I drew 6 flowers, I drew some clouds and some lightning and some grass, and I added some different colors and some different textures. And I created this springtime picture on abcya.com, the pixel paint. So when you do it, try to use different tools and different colors, and remember to create textures and patterns. The directions, I will show you what to do momentarily, but you'll go to the website, you'll click on your grade level, click on their skill, scroll down about 5 rows to find pixel paint, click on pixel paint and create a painting with pixels. And if you know how to take a screenshot, you could post it to your virtual sketchbook in Seesaw. If you can't take a screenshot, just go to Seesaw and tell me about your artwork. Alright, now I'm going to switch screens and we're going to look at the website, ABCYA, and I will show you how to get started on creating your pixel painting. Unfortunately, my screen is not fitting the whole screen, but this is like a digital piece of paper. On the bottom we have your colors. You just click the word color. If you click on color, nothing happens. You could click your sizes, and that means if you click here, you'll have a little pixel. If you click here, you'll have a 1, 2, 3, 4 pixels in a square, or the large pixel square would be 1, 2, 3, 4 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So 4 times 4 would be 16. So we have 16 pixels in the large pixel. If you make a mistake, you can just click the back arrow and it makes everything go away. You could click the paint can, choose a color, and you could fill up the whole area with one color at a time. Of course, there's the eraser, and you can change sizes on your eraser too. And so on, okay? So alright, if you want to turn off the grid, you can turn off the grid. And then if you want to save your artwork to your computer, you could click save and it'll save to your computer. Okay? Alright, so there you go. Have fun. Create a fun pixel painting, and I look forward to seeing your artwork posted to Seesaw. Alright, have a good week.